prove that d of dx times x is equal to sec square x. Now, this one is very simple. This one is very simple. Now, what is tan x? We know that tan x is equal to sin x over cos x, right? So we are going to work from this place here to get the derivative of sin x over cos x. Then also we know that sec of x is equal to 1 over cos x, right? So these are the identities we are going to use to prove that tan x is equal to the derivative of tan x, is equal to sec square of x. Let's go. Now, d over the x of sin x over cos x. Now, we said that when we want to get the derivative of a function that involves a quotient, we use the quotient rule. Now, quotient rule, what do we mean by quotient rule? What do we mean by quotient rule? What do we mean by quotient rule? When we have f is equal to u over v, say y is equal to u over v. Of course, this is a quotient function because we have division here. Now we have dy dx equals to, we hold this constant v, then we differentiate u minus, we hold u constant, we differentiate v all over v squared. Remember, v is our denominator, u is our numerator. So we are going to use this to differentiate sin x over cos x. This one here is the term. Now, using this, v, we hold v is our cos x. V is our cos x. So we have d over dx is equal to, v is cos x, we have cos x, times d of dx, the derivative of u is sin x, derivative of sin x is cos x, minus, we hold u is sin x, so sin x multiplied by the derivative of v is cos x, so derivative of cos x is minus sin x, all over cos x squared. We have cos x, v squared is cos squared of x, right? So this as this, we have cos squared x, this minus times minus, we have positive sin squared of x, all over cos squared of x. Now remember, we have an identity where cos squared x plus sin squared x is equal to 1, right? You remember that. So then we have all this one becomes 1. I'm talking about this identity here. Plus sin squared of x equals 1. So all this one we are going to equate to 1. So we have this one is equal to 1. Then we have cos, right? Now, remember we said sec x is equal to 1 over cos x. This one can be written as 1 over cos x, then we square everything. So this one here is sec x. So we have sec x, this one, then square. This one becomes sec